Today we are tackling an algebra problem that requires creativity and problem solving skills. Here is the problem. 7 raised to the power of x minus 11 raised to the power of x over square root of 77 raised to the power of x minus 121 raised to the power of x, that is equal to 1. Our goal is to find the value of x. It sounds simple, right? Let's go ahead and see is it simple or not. What they are given, denominator we have 77 raised to the power of x. So this 77 raised to the power of x, we can write this as 7 times 11 whole raised to the power of x, isn't it? Now it is in the form of a times b whole raised to the power of n, and we know that this one we can write it as a raised to the power of m times b raised to the power of m. Similarly, 7 times 11 whole raised to the power of x, we can write it as 7 raised to the power of x times 11 raised to the power of x. And now observe the 121. 121 we can write this as 11 times 11. So we can write it as 11 raised to the power of x times 11 raised to the power of x. So instead of 77 raised to the power of x minus 121 raised to the power of x, we can write this as 7 raised to the power of x times 11 raised to the power of x minus 11 raised to the power of x times 11 raised to the power of x. Now each and every term we have a raised to the power of x, isn't it? So keep on writing this raised to the power of x, raised to the power of x. It looks a bit complex. That's why I'm going to consider another variable 7 raised to the power of x as a and 11 raised to the power of x as b. Now it is easy to solve this. So after considering a and b, our numerator turns into, we consider 7 raised to the power of x as a. So the numerator we can write as a minus 11 raised to the power of x as b over square root of, we have 7 raised to the power of x a, and this is 11 raised to the power of x as b minus b times b. So b times b, which gives b power 2, that is equal to 1. Now at the denominator we have a square root. To get rid of this square root, we need to do square on both sides. So let's do square on both sides. Then we will get numerator as a minus b whole raised to the power of 2 over, and at the denominator square root term and square gets cancelled, so we left only ab minus b power 2, that is equal to 1. Now after doing cross multiplication, then you will get a minus b whole square, that is equal to 1 times ab minus b square, which gives ab minus b square only. In these two terms we have b. In RHS, let's take it b as common, then you left a minus b, isn't it? So left hand side we have a minus b whole power 2. So this b times a minus b, if you take it to left hand side, it is in positive form. If you take it to left hand side, it becomes negative. Negative b times a minus b, that is equal to 0. Now observe here. Here we have a minus b term and here also a minus b term. Let's take a minus b as common. Then you are left with a minus b common in first term. Now observe the second term. We have left only minus b. So a minus b times a, after opening the brackets, you get only minus b which gives minus 2b, that is equal to 0. From here we can say that we got two factors. One is a minus b, another one is a minus 2b. So we can write this as a minus b equal to 0, a minus 2b equal to 0. So from here a equal to b, from here a equal to 2b. We consider a as 7 power x and b as 11 power x, isn't it? To solve x, left hand side we have x, it is in the exponent, and in right hand side also x is in the exponent. If x is in either in left hand side or in right hand side, that means if x is in one side, then it is easy to solve. So that's why I am dividing both sides by 11 raised to the power of x. Now this 11 raised to the power of x and this gets cancelled, so we left only 7 raised to the power of x over 11 raised to the power of x, that is equal to 1. Now our x is in left hand side. Now it, and also this term, it is in the form of a power m over b power m. We can simply write this as a over b whole power m. isn't it? So that's why I am writing this as 7 over 11 whole power x, that is equal to 1. And just recall one of the most important property, that is anything power 0 the value is 1. Do you observe our right hand side the value is 1. So if you take a as 7 over 11, that means anything power 0 the value is 1. So after comparing these all terms, so we can say that x equal to 0. Anything power 0 is nothing but 1. So our value is 1, that means x we take it as 0. So this is in first case we solve that x as 0. Now observe the second case, which we have a equal to 2b. We consider a as 7 raised to the power of x, that is equal to 2 times. We consider b as 11 raised to the power of x. To solve x, we need to take this x as in one side. So that's why I'm going to divide both sides by 11 raised to the power of x. So here 11 raised to the power of x, here 11 raised to the power of x gets cancelled. So you will write this whole term, it is in the form of a power m over b power m. We can write this as a over b whole power m, that is equal to 2. Here the RHS value is not 1. If it is 1, we can say that x equal to 0, but here is the value is 2. So that means we need to do few more steps. Our goal is to find x value. Whenever x is in the exponent, we need to take logarithm on both sides. That is the easy way to solve x. So take logarithm on both sides. Observe the LHS. It is in the form of log of a power m. What is the logarithm formula? M times log a. So that means m is nothing but x. So we can write this as x times log 7 over 11, that is equal to log 2. Now observe this log 7 over 11. It is in the form of log of a over b. According to the logarithm formula, we can write this as log a minus log b. Similarly, this log 7 over 11, we can write it as log 7 minus log 11, that is equal to log 2. We need to find the x value here. That's why both sides divide by log 7 minus log 11. Here log 7 minus log 11 and here log 7 minus log 11 gets cancelled. So we left only x in the left hand side. So x value is log 2 over log 7 minus log 11. From the first case, we got x as 0. From the second case, we got x as log 2 over log 7 minus log 11. So these are the x values of this algebraic expression. If you want to simplify this, you can simplify. We know that log 2 the value is 0.301 and log 7 the value is 0.8451 minus log 11 the value is 1.0414. After simplifying all, then you will get minus 1.53. So this is the x value. If you like this content, please consider subscribing for more math content, problem solving strategies and tips. Your support means a lot to me, and I had loved to have you join in our math community. So hit the subscribe button and notification bell to stay updated. Thank you for watching.